There can be little doubt that Ducati's Scrambler line has been a success thus far, and after expanding the mid-displacement, 803cc, family downward last year with the 399cc 62, the factory decided to go the other direction with its Scrambler 1100 range. Larger, more powerful and arguably more mature, the 1100s bring to the table the same sassy style as their smaller siblings, along with 86 grin-inducing ponies and an electronic suite, riding modes, TC, apps, commensurate with its greater capabilities. In short, the Scrambler line is all grown up now and ready to swim in the deep end, or is it? Let's investigate this new branch on the Scrambler family tree and judge for ourselves. Why is this larger design a gamble? Well, it's like this. The original Scramblers were custom made in garages and backyards. They were, essentially, standard UJMs with off-road tires and were blank canvases for customizers. But, at the end of the day, they were just big boy toys and little more than homespun enduros. Fast forward to modern times and we find Ducati taking the Scrambler concept to the bank with small to mid-sized power plants and rather sophomoric equipment choices, which is fine for the entry-level and younger riders. By boosting size, power, displacement and price, Ducati pushes beyond the basic beach cruiser and bar hopper to bring some tech and class to what has traditionally been a rather low-tech genre. My question is, how much demand will there be for such a ride? Has the factory gone a bridge too far in trying to milk all it can from its bombshell Scrambler line? Time will tell.